This is going to be a video product review of the TECKIN European Travel Plug Adapter. This works in Germany, Italy, France, Spain, where they have the Type-C plug for the EU. And what happens is you can plug this into the wall and you will get 3 US American sockets and 2 USB ports that have 2.4 amps. With this plug, you have 5 simultaneous power connections. You can get 3 power connections for AC, and you can also run both USB ports at the same time. It is rated at 4,000 watts maximum with 2,500 watts of power maximum from one outlet. This is not a power converter. You will not be able to convert 220 to 110. You need to have appliances that are able to work off of the proper voltage that you were feeding into here. I'm going to leave a link for this product in the description of the video so that you can purchase it directly from Amazon. It's nice and small and compact, so it's excellent for carrying in your travel bag. You can carry this in your purse when you're getting on an airplane. You can use this to power shavers, laptops, SLR cameras, charging your cell phone, your tablet, a power bank while you are traveling. So let me just give you a quick example of what this looks like. I am in the US, so I'm going to be plugging this into a cord adapter so that you can see how this works. I'm going to plug this in. We have a lamp sitting over here, so I'm going to plug the lamp in right now into the AC on the side. I'm going to power on my box. And so we see over there that there's the lamp connecting my 110 outlet to my 110 light. And if you had 220, then you would be connecting your 220 directly to your 220 appliances. Again, this is not a voltage converter. Whatever feeds into here is what is going to feed out. So if you're in the UK or if you're in Europe and you are feeding 220 in here, your lamp or appliance will need to be 220. If you are feeding 110 into here, maybe you're using a power converter additionally, then you can run a 110, 120 USA power plug or power appliance. This product is available from TECKIN. The price is incredible. Make sure that you go to Amazon and buy this. Click the link in the description of the video.